Hi, my name is Dr. Diane Bridgman, and I am a dentist. And I thought I would share with you my journey of how I chose my career. I always liked science. I always liked people, helping people. And my first career was an emergency room nurse, and I also worked in ICU and loved it. It was very interesting, very state-of-the-art, very tiring. So when it came to I wanted to go back and get a master's, most of the women back then, this was in the early 80s, I looked at being a nurse practitioner. And back then you really couldn't do that much. You mainly did physicals. So a male nurse I was working with was going back to dental school. So I decided to look into dentistry. And I interviewed a bunch of women dentists, and they loved their job. And so I looked at all the pros and cons. I like to work with my hands. I like people. I like science. I like to be creative. I wanted the flexibility to work part-time, just like nursing. Once I had a family, I wanted the flexibility to kind of be my own boss. And so I went into dental school. And since I went in, the number of women that have been going into it went from maybe 10%, now it's 50%. So it's really blossomed as a good career for women. I graduated. I did a year residency at the Brigham and Women's because I wanted to be medically oriented from my nursing experience. And then I went into private practice. And I worked for dentists for about 5-6 years, and I kind of never wanted to work for myself or own my own business, but that's what I fell into. And I started with one employee and 2 little rooms of equipment, dental equipment, and started with about 25 patients. And gradually now I have way over 1,000 patients, and I have a staff of 6. And meanwhile, the whole time we worked 3 days, 3.5 days, or I even worked 2 days and had an associate work for me. So the flexibility was wonderful. What's nice about it is you don't get caught into very many emergencies. It's just been a wonderful career. And it's wonderful to help people feel good about themselves and feel good about their smile. And you are doing dentistry and you are doing your craft, but you also are connecting with people. So I hope this helps you. I hope you know that you can change careers like I did. I think it's better. I think of the 25 women that were in my class, almost all of them were second career people. So we had worked for a while and gone back. I would be happy to talk to anybody or have anybody come to my office and see what it's like to, what a wonderful dental office is like. And I wish you luck in your science and technology careers. I think it's great, and I think there's a wonderful place for women, and I just can't encourage you enough to go into that field. Thank you.